Okay, this is for an inventory on Friday night before Irma comes. Inventory of my house, quickie. Just in case for insurance and so on and everything, any damage. Which I'm sure we may get again. So it's a quick walkthrough. Excuse me. See, I got plenty of bread and buns and cookies, and this is the kitchen area, of course. Even if the trees get knocked down, I'll have avocados, you know, ready for a long time. Master bedroom. Oh, it's not too bright in here. Master bath. That's out to the Florida room. Back into here. Dishwasher, I've got some valuables in there, ready to go. I got some ice this morning, like I said, and I've added some water bags for ice for either here or the fridge or drinking next few days. And the bag ice maybe and whatever for the washing machine. That's my messy desk there. I just have no place to put the stuff. That's the washer room. I don't know how the ice all melted already that I put in there. Oh well, that didn't work out too good. Clothes are still in the dryer. This is the back room. All set to go, should be okay. Windows, everything. Then on to John's room. Excuse me. John's room. It's dark again, of course, because I can't reach the light over there, the other light. But everything's set. Everything is set until, and this is Brett's old room. You know, doors will be shut tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. Tomorrow morning I fill up the bathtub with water and finish off everything else, and wait for the worst to come. Seal up my garage door tomorrow with the locks. Now I'm out in the garage, and there's one lot of stuff in here. There's my, oh, you can't see it. There's my generator and all the cords ready. And TV until my satellite dish gets knocked off or goes out. So that's it. That's it. I got a lot of stuff. So, and we're getting almost non-stop coverage of the storm. So catch yous all after the aftermath.